Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this reloaded ROM on your Android device. Reloaded CAF or CAF is a custom ROM which is based on Code Aurora form. The main aim of this ROM is to bring stock AOSP experience as much as possible while maintaining performance, smoothness and good battery backup. Actually, this ROM is said to be a better battery saver than any other ROM. And that's the reason why I wanted to try this ROM on my device. So in order to install this ROM, all you need is a device with bootloader unlocked and TWRP installed. The procedure actually differs for every devices, and if you want to know how to do this on your mobile, then leave a comment in the comment section with your phone model name. I'll be provide a way to do that. So let's jump into the process. Before doing this, I request you all to back up your current ROM so that if anything happens, you can restore back the working ROM without any hassle. So after you back up your ROM, download the required files, then go to TWRP. In order to flash this OS, you have to wipe the data first, and in order to do that, you have to go to wipe and check these 4 and then swipe to wipe. So wiping was completed, and after wiping the data, go to install and install the MIUI vendor file. In order to install this Android 10 based ROM, you have to be on MIUI stock vendor 10 or higher. After flashing the vendor file, just go back by pressing this button and tap on install and install the OS file. Then flash the DFE file in order to remove the encryption. So this OS does not have GApps. So after DFE, install this GApps file. I'll be sharing that link in the description down below. So here it is. The OS was installed and the initial setup was completed. It is right now gearing up to the home screen, and there you go. It is clear as the original Pixel, and I'm going to be reviewing about the features and goodies inside in this OS in another video. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel to know about more interesting tech stuff and full in-depth reviews on various ROMs. Peace.